Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know what you're thinking, are you joining the army, Adam? No, I'm not joining the army. I've not been in the army. I've got a haircut and I dyed my hair last night and I'm actually loving it. I really want to be like a, well, it wasn't meant to be like a pinky tinge, but I really kind of want a violet like tinge to my hair. So yeah, I'm trying to find a way on how to get that effect. So in today's video, basically what we're going to do is, I was going to do an eye look to go with this video, but I just want to keep it chill. Just talk about, well, obviously you already know about the title, but I just want to talk about the glosses, focus on them rather than do an eye look and all that stuff. So it's going to be like a shortish, sweet video, and yeah, we're going to get cracking. So this is, I wouldn't say it's a new brand, it's a new brand to me. I don't know the brand like personally, like I do like Jolie Beauty and stuff like that, so I don't really know them on that level. One of my friends who I went to the P. Louise Academy with, she actually supports the brand a lot. She's like an affiliate with them, she gets like PR and all that stuff. So I kind of know of the brand LynnsLooks from her. So the brand that I'm talking about is obviously LynnsLooks, and basically they do pigments, they've got eyelashes, lash glue, they've got a lot of stuff. I think they've got 1 or 2 eyeshadow palettes, I'm not too sure, but they've just released a brand new palette with Nosh MUA. So what I'll do is I'll put a couple of pictures somewhere of the palette just so you can have a quick look at the palette, see what it's like. It does look really nice. I haven't bought it just because I have so many palettes that I need to get delving into, so like I need to do like more looks and stuff, but basically I need to stop buying eye palettes because I've just got way too many eyeshadow palettes and they're not getting used. So yeah, that's basically it. So if I see a palette that I don't gravitate towards, or I think, oh, I've got them colours, I won't buy it. Like the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star, I didn't buy that. 1, because I was broke, and 2, because I feel like I have most of those colours. So yeah, the brand LynnsLooks is really new to me, and they came out with some glosses. I have been like following them, and basically the glosses looked amazing. The packaging really wowed me at first. So what I'll do is I'll show you like the box that they came in, and then I'll show you like the packaging of the glosses. So this is what the glosses come in. It's just like a really like just a plain black box. It's got some ingredients on it, and then it's got the logo there, and then these are what the glosses look like. So the packaging really, when I saw it, I fell in love with the packaging. I think the packaging is beautiful on these. So like, as you can see, it's kind of like a round bottle, but it's like encased inside, like, it's basically like a square in like plastic. So these are plastic, I think. And then on the top, it's just like a metallic thing, like a metal thing. But yeah, like the packaging looks so nice on these. It's got the logo, and then it's got the shade names at the bottom. So yeah, the packaging just really wowed me on these, and I've seen a couple of people swatch them, and the coverage, oh my god, we're going to talk about formula in a minute. They currently have 5 shades, I bought them all. Basically, I think they're going to come out with more, I'm hoping so, because I'd really like some darker ones, and I'd really like some lighter ones. So yeah, these are just, I'd say these are more nudey, obviously, but like a nude medium. That's what I'd say. So when I like get into a new brand, I do like to reach out to the brand and see if there's anything that they'd like to mention whilst I'm doing a video. So basically, as I was searching, looking for the glosses and stuff, there wasn't anything really on YouTube about them, so I just really wanted to like showcase these glosses just because I feel like it is like a really good brand, and I just thought like, why not have a video on there and get them views in. No, I'm joking. So yeah, I did speak to the brand, and basically she said that they are coming out with more shades and extending. They're always coming out with like a lot of stuff. And basically she said that 19, which is this one right here, I am going to swatch them all on my hand in a minute, but basically 19 here is perfect for Asian skin tones and deeper skin tones. They will be coming out with more shades, so if you are looking at these and you don't really see your shade or anything like that, they are releasing new shades, and so far they are such good glosses. So she also said that 3 and 8, which are these ones here, are perfect for lighter skin tones and look pretty nice so far. I really like this top one, which is number 8. This number 3 I'd say is a really nice one for a deeper skin tone, just because it is really dark and it comes off a little bit red on different people. So I think that like this is probably a light one, and then the other one is a darker one. So we're going to swatch them all on my hand, and then we're going to get into like smell, and we're going to put them on my lips. So going in with number 19. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's just a generic applicator to me, and yeah. So that's what number 19 looks like. Then we're going in with number 3. Like, look at that coverage. Number 17. And then number 8. And then lastly we've got number 10. So yeah, as you can tell, they are really full coverage. They are like pretty medium nudes, I'd say. So obviously when she comes out with a lighter or darker shades, it will be amazing. But for now, these are so good. And these are actually £6 each, so it's so affordable, it's like unreal. So because I don't have a lot of lip glosses, I've really gotten into lip glosses at the moment, just because they're just so easy. When I wear a matte lipstick, when I'm doing tutorials and stuff, I always find myself putting on a clear gloss on top anyway. So I just really wanted to branch out and get a few more glosses and just like play with them. So the first gloss that I did buy was this Holly Boom one. You've seen my review on this, I'll link it somewhere. But basically these are totally different formulas. This one is more sheery medium, so I'll just swatch that one there. So if I do it full close, I've kind of like wiped these off by accident. But yeah, as you can tell, like this is really nude. So if she comes out with a shade like this, it's going to be amazing, because this is like an amazing nude for me. But the difference between the Holly Boom one and these is, one, the price point. This is like 15 quid. And these ones are £6. Like, how amazing and affordable is that? Like, I just can't even go. But also, these are a little bit thinner in consistency, and it also has a little bit of sparkle. Okay, we're gonna apply these on the lips in a moment, but first, I just want to say about the scent. So these have I'd say a medium scent, which basically it's not overly strong, it's not weak. It's like a medium scent, and it does smell of like vanilla. So like this one is number 10, and it's kind of like vanilla mint, if that makes sense. Like to me, it's pulling off more vanilla mint. But then in some of them, like this is number 17, in some of them it does smell a little bit makeup-y. So like when you smell it, you get the vanilla, but then it also smells a bit like makeup, if that makes sense. It's not a bad thing. Because they do apply really nicely, and like I just love everything about them so far. But basically, yeah, if you are a little bit sensitive to smell or anything like that, then these may not be for you, but they are a really, like, it's not a nasty smell or anything like that. I just thought I'd touch up on the scent, because it is like, I know people don't necessarily like scents in the products. Okay, so I have just wiped off my Fenty Beauty lip balm. I just wanted to like hydrate my lips a little bit. So now we're gonna go in and apply these on the lips. I'm gonna do them one by one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna not put any foundation on at the moment. I'm just gonna leave my lips really red and blank, see how it covers over that, and then I will dab it with a little bit of foundation and we'll see what it goes on top of like with that. So the first one I'm going to go in with is shade number 10. Okay, so here we go. Okay guys, so that is what number 10 looks like on the lips. I think this would be so pretty with like a lip liner and then applying it. I think it'd look really beautiful. But as you can see, the coverage is so nice. The coverage is just amazing on these. So it does feel a little bit thick on the lips. So if you want like a lightweight lip gloss, this isn't probably going to be it. It does, you can tell obviously you've got gloss on your lips, but yeah, when you apply it, it doesn't look streaky or anything like that. It just literally looks like a shiny lipstick. It's absolutely beautiful. They're not sticky. Obviously it's sticky in the sense that you've got gloss on your lips, but they're not like sticky like, I'm not getting any stringiness. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, so now we're going to do it with foundation. So next I'm going to go in with number 19, and then this is on the top of foundation. Okay, this is what number 19 looks like. I just want to point out as well, this applicator is really nice. It just follows your lips beautifully, and you can like really get like a sharpness. So yeah, the applicator is so nice. And then as you can tell, like they're really like glossy, and it's not like an overly gloss. So I feel like if she put like a little bit of like really fine glitter in these, I think they'd look really amazing for summer, because it just reflect in the sun real nice. But so far these are just, they're just really nice glosses. You can tell I don't know much about gloss because I'm just chatting shit while applying them. So I'm taking them off with like a towel, and it's got my cat hair all over it. So when you take them off, your lips do feel a teeny little bit sticky, but they feel really, really hydrated. Like my lips feel super hydrated. Okay guys, I'm not going to talk anymore. We're going to fast forward through these ones and I'll give my final verdict. So the next one I'm going to go into is, actually we're going to go in with number 3. Okay, this shade number 8 is a little bit streaky, but not amazingly, but it's just a little bit streaky, yeah? Like, I don't know if you can see, but then when I rub my lips together, like none of the others did that. Okay, I've just gone back in with number 17 because it's actually my favourite shade. So yeah, number 17 is my favourite gloss from this collection so far. I just think it looks so pretty. Do you not agree? And I'd say my least favourite was the last one, which was, I think it was number 8. So yeah, that was my least favourite. So guys, final thoughts on these glosses. I think the packaging is stunning, especially for the price of them. I think the formula is really, really nice. I think the shades are really beautiful. Obviously we've got one that I didn't like, this one that I do. And yeah, I'm excited to see what she comes up with next. When I mentioned the smell earlier, I can't actually smell it now. It just, if I can smell anything, it just smells a little bit like vanilla-y. So yeah, it doesn't actually smell when you apply it on the lips. And yeah, they just look so reflective and nice. I feel like she could make these into a summer collection as well by putting like a little bit of glitter in them, or maybe like thinning the formula out. But these are so nice. I love I love the fact that they're really amazing high coverage, and it just, you don't need concealer underneath. So yeah, I really love the fact that the high coverage basically, just you don't have to mess around, and you can just, if you're feeling a gloss that day, you can whack them on your lips and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. So guys, if you do want any of these glosses, I'm not sure if the discount code works on these glosses because they don't mind, but if you want anything from LynnsLooks, what I'll do is I'll link my friend's code down below, Jen20. So if you do want anything, then go use her code and go purchase anything you want off the website. They do obviously like lashes, glue, palette if you want the palette, all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you go subscribe to their channel and their site. Go subscribe to me because, you know, I hope you've enjoyed this little mini cute video on these glosses. Don't get used to me reviewing lip products because my lips are so sore now from all that rubbing. I'll see you in my next video.